Okay, in this video, we're going to take a look at how to create a calendar-based list report. So to get started, I've included a sample data set in my GitHub so that you can leverage for this simple example on how to build. And it simply shows baseball team events. So let's go ahead and load up this data. All right, once our profiling is done, we'll go ahead and hit save. And we're going to save this as calendar test. All right, once that's done, we'll go ahead and close this, come back here, and select our data set. Now the first thing we're going to do, once this is up here, is go ahead and create a filter at the top. For this to work, we're really going to look at 1 month at a time is kind of the way we're going to see it. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and add the year. And we're going to go ahead and add the month to our filter. Now inside the filter, we want to make sure that we turn off multi-select, right? So we can lock it to simply 1 month view at a time. Once that is done, we're going to go down here to our list report, drop it on the bottom of the page, and now we're going to create some calculations real quick. So normally when you have a date field like we do here and it registers as a date, you'll get most everything you need. In some cases, whoever created your data set may have turned it off, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to make every calculation you need to pull this off. We're going to start by creating month name as a calculation. Now, if you're pasting in from a sample code, I do advise just to drag it over and drop so it picks up the path, validate, and there you go. The next calculation we're going to create is the day of the week. Now we're going to get the name of the actual day itself in this calculation. And last but not least, we're going to get the week that we're in. With these items in place, we'll go ahead over here. I'm going to go ahead and put no title. I'm going to set our text font just a little bit smaller, and we can start building our report. So the first thing we want to do is get our month name and drag it to our trellis column. Next, we're going to get our week of the month and put it in a row. For category over here, we'll build this out a little bit, but for category, we're going to grab the date, the start time, and then we're going to put the game or event name. All right, and we'll clean this up so you don't have to worry about it. Next, we're going to go down here and grab the day of the week. And we'll set our filter at the top. So it's going to be 24, and we're going to look at August. Okay. And now we'll go back down here. Grab the day name. And you can see where we're starting to go. Now this is kind of the trick to make it format for you. So first let's go up here and we're going to turn our title off. And now we're going to start kind of modifying some of these fields so that they show the way we want in a nice clean calendar view. So what I do here is I'm going to set the font to 1 and then I will set it as green so it appears as though it's nothing there, and just slide that over. We'll continue this for the month name. Day of the week we're going to hide. And day name we'll make pretty. All right, so now we're starting to look like a calendar here. Next, we can go up here to the top, and we're going to do a little bit more formatting. So let's go ahead and format our date. We're just going to make this a little cleaner. There we go. And last but not least, let's go over here and let's give it some color. So we'll drop in the event type. And there we go. So we can see here, we can scroll down. You can see the various events, the event type, and a makeshift list calendar view.